Samsung just changed the travel game with the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Their new AI-powered interpreter mode allows real-time or live translation in 22 different languages directly into your ears.
Está justo cerca del museo en la segunda calle.
Make sure you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet running One UI 6.1 or later, as this feature isn't supported on other Android or iPhone. Now, let's open your Buds 4 settings. Go to Earbud Controls and select the pinch and hold option for either the left or right bud. And in here, select Interpreter Apps option. Open the app settings and then make sure Interpreter is selected. After that, find the Interpreter app, which is pre-installed to your Galaxy phone. Open the app and go through the initial setup process. After that, tap the other person's language option. You can select the language installed or tap on Add Language and select the one from the 22 available language packs to download it. Do the same for your own language as well. And then, to use it through your Buds 4, go to Menu and then tap on Listening Mode. Check if the correct language pack is set to Others and your own language. Before you go, make sure to wear both your buds. Then, tap on the mic button and then just start talking. What you say is translated and played through the phone's speaker as well. When you are done, and let them speak near the microphone.
Está justo cerca del museo en la segunda calle.
What the other person says is translated and also will play directly into your earbuds. When you want to use Interpreter again in a conversation, pinch once on your bud stem, Interpreter will open. Make sure to be in the Listening Mode section, and you will hear Interpreter Listening Mode started through your ear. Just start talking right away, and the translation will carry on like before. When you're done, pinch on the stem to close the app, then swipe down and stop the translation. That's pretty much how you can use Interpreter for live translation on your Buds 4. Thanks for your time.